Okay, family, it's about the fried chicken. So I have some frying up here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out and let it cool, and then I'll put this next batch I have here in. So here we go. Take this out. Let it drain. And I hope you're having a nice afternoon. I am. It goes there. Here we go. I decided to start this early. So there it is. And then, okay, got the last two pieces here. Perfect. And now, I'm going to get a glove on it, then we're going to drop this chicken in. I wanted chicken wings so bad last night, but I was tired, so I just didn't cook them. I decided to do it tonight or this evening. So here we go. Okay. This is canola oil we're cooking in. There we go. And then here we go. We're going to drop the last piece. Okay, so that's that. Move this around some. Okay, so now what we're going to do here is we're going to have let's see, some blue cheese dressing with this. I'm going to open this. And this is Marzetti. They have a lovely honey French dressing that I love for my salads. And this is a crunchy blue cheese that they have. It's real blue cheese here. This is a great salad dressing or a dipping dressing. It is really good. So you gotta put some in here. You see how thick that is? Like so. Like that. And we'll put this back in the refrigerator because once you open this, there it is, you know. And I should say anyway, they sell this in the cold section at the grocery stores. This is not on the shelf, you know. It's chilled in the store. So when you bring it home, that's where we're going with it also. Back into the refrigerator. So with this, depending on, you know, how many guests you have or how many family members, you can Have you some crunchy cauliflower, you know, with this, or some broccoli florets, you know. There you go. You can have this with the chicken. And here we can take this chicken and we can plate it like so. You know, you just go around your little bowl here with your chicken. You know, any way you like. You know, decorate, dress it up, and you know, the bowl doesn't have to be centered. It can be there. You know. So here we go. Like, let's do it like this. And we can turn this piece like that. There you go. And you have your chicken, fried chicken, and then you have your vegetables, you know, that you can use in your dipping sauce. It's great for a meal, great as an appetizer, you know. All this goes well together. So I started the wings because I didn't want you hanging around so long, you know, with all this going on. It is the weekend, and we have other things to do. Let's check this. This is coming along just fine. Okay, I should say the recipe for this is just our all-purpose flour here, and I use some sea salt with this. You can use any brand that you prefer. And then I also use some it's called Soul Food Seasoning. This is by Chestnut Hill. But you can find different brands of this seasoning also. And so that's what I sprinkled on this. And this is what we have. So, family, with all that being said, I enjoy your company always. You know, I should say it was cloudy here earlier, but now the sun is shining bright. 1 minute, Fluffy. Excuse me, family. The sun is shining bright, you know, outside, and it's kind of cool now. We got a nice cool breeze, so that's a great thing. You know, I'm happy about that. I made a run, just one run today. Took the little puppy with me, so you know, he got a ride today, and then we made our way on back, and we decided to fry the chicken. So that's what we did. Let me check this. The second batch I seasoned it a bit different, so what I'll probably do is come back and we'll talk about this batch that's in the deep fryer now. But as always, once again, I love you, I love you, I love you, and I know you love me. And always, always, family, remember to love yourself. Love yourself. I'll see you again soon. Bye.